In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive contacts in your audience. By the end, you'll know exactly how to tidy up your contact list without deleting anyone permanently, so you can keep your active audience clean while preserving historical data. Let's start by opening your audience. On the left-hand sidebar, click Audience. Once you're there, make sure you're viewing contacts within that audience. This matters because the audience section can include different views or segments, and you want to be sure you're working with the main contact table, not a tag or a saved segment. If you don't see your full list, double-check that the Contacts tab is selected. Next, find the contact or contacts you want to archive. You'll see a table with rows for each person. Use the checkboxes on the left to select one or many at a time. If your list is long, use the search bar or filters to narrow it down by name, email, tags, or status. Take a moment to confirm you've selected only the records you intend to archive. This step helps prevent mistakes when you're working in bulk. Now look to the top right corner of the contact table for the three-dot menu. This is your Actions menu, and it's where you'll find tools for bulk updates. Click the three dots to open the drop-down. In that menu, choose Archived Contacts, then select Archive. In some interfaces, this may be labeled Archive Selected Contacts instead. Either way, you're looking for the archive option related to your current selection. You'll be prompted to confirm. Read the confirmation message, then proceed. Archiving removes those contacts from your active list, which means they won't receive campaigns, automations, or other communications, and they won't count toward active audience totals in many systems. Importantly, they are not permanently deleted. Their profiles and historical data are retained, so you can reference past activity if needed or bring them back later if your workflow allows it. After you confirm, you should see a success message or a brief status indicator. The archived contacts will disappear from your active view, which is expected. If you don't immediately see the change, refresh the page or clear any filters you were using. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. Consider archiving contacts that are bounced, unsubscribed, or inactive to keep your active audience focused and your reporting cleaner. And when working in bulk, it's a good idea to archive in smaller batches and review the results, just to stay organized and confident in your changes. That's it. Your contacts are archived, your audience is cleaner, and your data is preserved.